Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add the comments on Microsoft PowerPoint. Typically, most of the people create the PowerPoint presentation and send to their customer for review. Customer would like to add the comments for each slide. In this situation, how they can add the comments on Microsoft PowerPoint slides? Let's learn how you can do this. In this presentation, I would like to send for my customer. The customer would like to add the comments for each designs. So your customer have to open the review tab. Under the comment section, they have to click on the new commands. It will be open the commands pane. Here you have to add the section of which person sign in this presentation. So they can add the commands for this slide. So once enter the commands, they have to click on the post command. So now it has been added for the commands. So if you would like to add new commands, then again you have to click on the new. It will be open the new commands pane. Here you have to add the more commands. So then move for the next slide. Here if you would like to add the new commands, then you have to click on the new command. Then here you have to add the commands. So in each slide you can add the comments for your team collaborations. Once added the comments, you can send to your partner. The partner has been opened the slides. They can view the comments by click on the review tab. Then they can click on the show comments. It will be open the commands pane. Then they can view the all comments. If they would like to replay this, they can add the replay here. So the replay command has been added here. So in this way you can add the comments on Microsoft PowerPoint slides. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.